it looks really beautiful on the outside, but the inside was really magical if you really look at it. I mean, look at this awesome, this was pure magic. Look at this stencil work. It was very extensive and you know, it took a long time, you can really tell. We only found a few pipes and a few bent back spoons. No needles, they were very clean tweakers. You know, we pretty much got all the crap out. This is Walter White's motorhome. It has a Spartan chassis underneath it with all air ride suspension and disc brakes. The chassis is unbelievably good. It has a P-pump 5.9 12 valve Cummins in it, which is a hot rod. Somebody did a bunch of work to it. So we're gonna redo the old motorhome. We're gonna actually take the whole shell off and just use the chassis. We're gonna build a whole new motorhome out of it, and probably go ahead and put like a 20-foot pop out on it that pops out 5-6 feet instead of your 2 feet or whatever they pop out. And we're gonna haul a trailer, and everywhere I go I jackknife the trailer and pull the awning out, and we'll have this basically a garage and a home to live in whenever we go drag racing and wherever it is we go do an event. I can't spend millions of dollars on a motorhome, so we got to build it. So this is like beautiful. This is the Taj Mahal compared to what this thing looked like when we first got it. But I bought it originally because I got the bus over there. We were gonna build the bus. The reason I bought this motorhome was it had this hot rod motor in it. This is a built 12 valve motor. It's got a bigger turbo on it. It's got the different exhaust manifold. My buddy Dave's a diesel guy. He told me that's an aftermarket manifold, and he said somebody had worked on this quite a bit, and the tweaker that I bought this thing off of told me that this thing had been highly modified. And I got to drive it a little bit, and I gotta tell you, it got it on when I drove it. So anyways, I bought this to put in the bus, and I got to crawling around up underneath this thing, and it has a Spartan chassis, all air ride, 4-wheel disc brakes. It's just a really nice chassis. So I'm just to the point now, I think I'm just gonna build this. So we decided to strip all the crap out of here and de-tweakerize it as best as we could. And getting it to the point where we're gonna go ahead and either cut this off at one of these levels and raise the whole thing up about 1.5 feet. I'm not sure if we're gonna do that yet, or if we're just gonna build a whole new top. I'm not sure what I'm doing yet. Depends. Depends on how badly rusted all this stuff is. But we're basically going to tear it down to the chassis, leave the walls on for last, and if I decide not to use these walls, we'll just tear it off, and then we'll just build off the chassis a whole brand new motorhome. So this is the beginning shot. I wish I could have got it with all the luxurious stuff in here. There was probably 2,000 pounds of wood we pulled out of this thing. Oh my God. But yeah, we're gonna build this thing into quite the motorhome. Do a lot of racing out of this thing.